I'm staying at the Point Boutique Hotel in Riverside, Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and it's right here, this white building right here. It's on Street 130. Riverside is right there. This is Riverside. My camera's a bit dirty. Anyway, this is 130. That way is 136. You can Google Street 130, 136 Riverside. Leave no explanation. Anyway, walk up to the hotel. It's got a rooftop bar and a cafe, but I haven't never been in a cafe yet. It's the lobby. So it's got 12 floors. The 12th floor has got the rooftop bar, and then it's got a cafe on the ground floor and in the lobby. I'm on the 7th floor in a king suite. It's quite good. There's only one elevator in this place, but its staff are fantastic. Yeah, really good place to stay, central to everything. On the 7th floor. Hello, how are you? Thank you very much. Okay, you got your bathroom to your left. It's got everything you need. It's got the overhead shower, the normal shower. More importantly, it's got the bum gun. Good aircon. Room safe. Good soft firm bed, really good. A little fridge. You get complimentary water every day. TV, get coffee every day. It's got a balcony. It's got a real tiny balcony to use that partake in smoking. Yeah. Anyway. So that's the street we're just on, 130. And that's the Mekong Delta River. Great views from the balcony. It's got this little lounge area. I like to turn the seats around. Yeah, they're pretty good. I think it's like $35 a night. You can get cheaper rooms for $25, but it's only got a real small room. But you know, $35, $40 a night. Pocket change. Location, location, location. You can do it monthly. I think it's a cheaper rate if you do it monthly, but they're on booking.com and Agoda. Booking.com and Agoda. Yeah, everything you need. Room service every day. Housekeeping. Anyway, got any questions? just put them in the comments below and I'll endeavour to answer them. The rooftop bar is tiny, not worth it. Just on top of the roof with a bar, some good views, but it gets no, probably fit comfortable 8 people up there, and then it gets crowded. But yeah, doesn't get that busy up there anyway. Alright, if you've got any questions or anything you want to know, just leave me a comment, like and subscribe. I'll be doing many more. Don't forget, in November I'll be cycling around Australia solo unsupported on a bicycle, and I'll be uploading a video every week. I'm just in Southeast Asia at the moment, trying to lose myself, or find myself, I guess. But anyway, here I am. Good place to stay. Going to show you around the streets of 130, 136 and the local markets. This is Street 130, Riverside. River's just down the Mekong Delta. Another view of my hotel. Another hotel is on Street 136. Has some really good rates. It's Harry's Hotel, I think it is. Anyway, the information is there. You can pause it and have a look, but it's central location. When you if you have those rooms, make sure you get a balcony suite, but they're real cheap. The longer you stay, the cheaper it is. But yeah, no, good place to drink, good place to hang out and people watch. Oh, this is another street, I think, one over from 136. If you go left there, you go to the fruit and veg market, where the locals shop anyway. It's interesting what they sell. But go have a look yourself. All right, now we're just going down towards the markets. Interesting stuff they do on the streets. Alright, we're going to head down to let's go to the local market. I had to change my iPhone because my camera started running out of battery. Anyway, because my GoPro started to die. Anyway, I hope you enjoy at the local market. Interesting, all the meat they have, how they have it out in the sun. Beautiful for vegetarians and vegans. Vegan and vegetarian heaven here. Yeah, that was the tour of the local markets. All the locals buy their food, and the hotels and all the restaurants buy their food. Let's take a look at one of the intersections here. Street 136 coming up. One of my favourite restaurants is coming up in a second. So here we're at the Riverside, right on the Esplanade. It's on the corner of 136 and Riverside Drive. But yeah, awesome place to eat. Really cool, good service, run by local Cambodians. There's a Mekong Delta River. People fish. You can take ferry rides and have cruises along it. Another little restaurant I ate at, again on Riverside and Street 136. Just another view of 1:30, I think, in the daytime. About to head into the night time. I got a little bit of a view of Street 1. This is 130, Street 130. Great to eat. All the bars, all the restaurants, everything around. Also going to have a look at the just the outside of the Phnom Penh Riverside night markets, just on the outside, coming up in a second. But no, great place to visit. Next time I go there, I'll probably be there for 20 to 30 days, so I can travel more inland and see Sandrick and some other towns. Anyway, just a local area, Riverside. Hotel review. A great place to stay, real safe. Anyway, enjoy, and got some more reviews and more videos coming up.